What's up, beautiful people? This is Khurram from My Getswell and hope you all are having an amazing day. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys of my ownership because I will only review the TVs or tell you about it if I have personally used them. So make sure to hit the like on this video and subscribe to the channel because I'm sharing my experience with you of using the LG OLED TVs. So first of all, I've been using LG OLED since 2016, and if you ask me, 2016 and now 2022, the TVs have come so far, the features have so advanced, but if you ask me, from 2020 to 2022, it is not a big difference. There are just marginal upgrades every year. So if you have the LG OLED C10, which a lot of people ask me, like, should I upgrade to C2? Come on, calm down, don't need to do it. If you have the LG OLED C10, you're getting just 20, 30, 40, 50 nits more, which literally doesn't make a big deal because you're talking about the peak brightness. When it comes to the full screen, it is not a huge difference. I mean, yes, you're gonna get some better clarity. I will say if you have C10, just get it calibrated if you can. You will have better image and you don't have to worry about upgrading for at least another 2 years. So that's the first thing. If you have the 2020 and onwards model already, you don't have to upgrade to the 2022 models just because they have the Evo panel, faster processing. Now you look at the screen, I'm navigating around with the latest update on the LG OLED C1. It actually has made it really better TV, and I can't tell which one I'm using. So if I'm using the C1 and C2 because I have both the TVs, I recently bought the Star Wars Special Edition, which is nothing special in terms of the hardware. It's kind of like same thing when it comes to the hardware, but I'm using the C2 and C1, and I'm telling you honestly that it's not a huge deal. So I'm gonna go to the support section and show you guys the software update that I have recently received, 03.33.11. So this latest update actually makes the interface a little simpler. Before we had the 3 different things that I'm gonna show you by going to the main screen. So on the YouTube, I'm just trying to like navigate around, and the things are super fluid now as compared to before. So if I hit the home button, I'm at the home button and everything is just ready whenever I'm moving the cursor around. And you can see at the top we have 1 banner. Before we used to have 3 different banners, and it will take a couple of seconds to load. But now if I compare this with C2, it is just neck to neck. So the thing is, with the software update that we have received for the C1, LG has just made it better. And only complaint that I had was with the little buggy web OS interface when you go to the home screen and you have to wait for a bit for the thumbnails to load and all that. But now it has made actually everything super fluid. So I will say that if you are really trying to get a TV, and things are gonna change. It's like cars, you know, like for a new design, they don't change much. Similarly for the TVs, they just do the software tweaks, but they don't change really aggressive hardware related parts. So wait for at least, you know, the next generation TVs. Maybe the quantum dot OLED technology will be cheaper. So maybe spend more money at that time rather burning your cash right now. So at 65-inch C1 for $1,500 to $1,600 is just incredible, and you don't need to buy the C2 as of right now. Save your money. Same thing for the 55-inch. You can score it for easily $999 or $1,100. The smaller size TV was running at $800 recently. So just make sure to look out for the sales, and if you can grab C1 and you're waiting to buy OLED TV, this is the perfect time. And let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about it? And make sure to check my other videos and let me know if you guys want to know anything, because I have bought recently all the LG models. Only the G2 is the one that I'm waiting for, and I'm gonna think about it, should I go for it or not, because I already have the LG OLED G1 Evo from last year. So that's all I have from this video, guys. I hope you really liked it. I'll see you guys in another one. Until then, peace out.